We are going to learn how to move in the three-dimensional space. Most of the navigation is done using the middle mouse button, so we highly recommend having a 3-button mouse. If you are working with a trackpad, you will use gestures that you already know. By holding down the middle mouse button and dragging the mouse, we can rotate our view. Holding down Shift and middle mouse button while dragging will move us through space. Holding down middle mouse button and Control while dragging the mouse forward or backward will bring us closer or further away. Alternatively, rotating the scroll wheel can be used in the same way. All of these actions can be also performed using the gizmo interface. If we press and hold the left mouse button on the axis gizmo, we can rotate the view. Pressing and holding the hand gizmo will move us in space. The magnifying glass gizmo will let us zoom in and out. The world of 3D is made up of 3 axes, X, Y, and Z. Often, we may want to view from a specific angle, and for this we can simply press a certain axis on the gizmo. Front, top, right. Note that when we view a specific axis, we have no perspective. But this can be changed by clicking the grid button, which is the last button in the line, with perspective, without. If we will move our view, we will be in perspective view again. If we press the tilde key on the keyboard, a pie menu interface will open like a fan with much more convenient choices of angles to view from. Top, right, front. We highly recommend using this and similar menus when they are available. You may have noticed that our rotational motion in space is influenced by a pivot point around the center of our view. We might become entangled approaching and moving away in relation to a certain object. If we want to focus on a new object, we will have to select it and open the View menu. Then click Frame Selected. Now we are circling around a new object. The same action can be found in the Pie menu as View Selected. If we get lost, we can always focus on all the objects in the scene by selecting Frame All in the View menu. Now all the objects in the scene will be in the center of our frame. Take note that all the keyboard shortcuts in Blender are context sensitive to the editing window that the mouse is hovering over. For example, if the mouse is over the Properties editor, the shortcut tilde may not work, or may work differently in another context, such as the outliner. Each editing window in Blender has its own shortcuts. Great! Feel free to explore the different planets and navigate the 3D space. I assure you that by the end, you will know how to navigate in the 3-dimensional space with much more confidence. See you in the next lesson.